How to withdraw money from TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, open up this eligibility of creativity program of TikTok. In order to check whether you are actually eligible for it or not, make sure that you are fulfilling all of these terms, otherwise you won't be able to get the money. So after you fulfill all these criterias, then you will have to create a PayPal account. Just simply create PayPal, and after that link it with your TikTok, and this way you would be able to get the money. Now in order to check how much you have earned on TikTok, just simply open up the profile, and on your profile you will be able to find three lines at the top right hand side corner. Just simply click on it, then open up creator tools. In creator tools you will be able to find the option of creativity program beta. Just simply open it up. After that you will be able to check your estimated earnings over there. You can just simply click on this option of your balances. After that you can check out, there is a credit card option or debit card option at the top right hand side corner. Just simply click on it. This way you would be able to add the payment method. Now click on add payment method and link your PayPal with TikTok. This way once in a month you will be receiving the funds in your bank account from your TikTok if you have eligible views, and the payments will be according to your RPM. So this way you would be able to get the money from your TikTok automatically if you have valid views, and that's how you withdraw the funds from TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.